Hi, my name's Alex with GutterBrush. This is our contractor introduction video. I'm here to explain to you the profit opportunity buying, selling, and installing GutterBrush. So we are the manufacturers of GutterBrush. We make it here in the United States and we've made it since 2004. So it's been around a while and it is a tried and true solution that works. I was a contractor for over 25 years, so I'm here to personally help you, provide you with advice, information, and support. We want to help you solve gutter clogging problems for your customers and earn profits in a very simple fashion. We will help you sell. We'll provide brochures, samples. We have a display available. We can list you on our website as an installer and drive some leads in your direction. So what is GutterBrush? GutterBrush is a very simple way of keeping gutters from clogging and avoiding the damage that occurs from clogged gutters, such as rotted windowsills, rotted wood, washed out foundations, damaged landscaping. The key to GutterBrush is the speed and ease of installation. Anyone who can work off ladders can install GutterBrush. And that speed and ease translates into a nice low price for your customers and good, nice profits for you. We've got 5 different sizes of GutterBrush to fill all the most common size gutters and the custom gutters. It's very simple. GutterBrush is a simple bottle brush that comes in 3-foot sections and 18-inch sections. Again, in 5 different diameters for all the common and uncommon size gutters. You basically fill the gutter with GutterBrush, sliding it into place. You slide it under the brackets, one after the other. You fill the gutter from end to end. You leave it in place. The brush keeps the debris out of the gutter and keeps the gutter from clogging while the water flows between the bristles. It's a very feasible product for us to ship to you just one job at a time. You can make money selling and installing just one job at a time, or we can ship in volume where you can increase your profits because you'll be buying at a lower price. We ship direct to contractors, and in most cases, we'll ship the next day. We're on the East Coast in Rhode Island, so for the states that are close by, you'll get it in 1 day of shipping. Down to Florida is maybe 2 or 3 days of shipping. Out on the West Coast, 5 days of shipping. So you can have a turnaround time from the East Coast to the West Coast of a total of 6 or 7 days. GutterBrush is UV protected or protected from the sun, UV protected polypropylene bristles, and a galvanized core. It lasts in excess of 15 years. I talk to customers that have had it for 15 years. It still works, still flexible. And we put a 10-year warranty on the product. Again, the key is the speed and ease of installation. Anyone who works off ladders can install GutterBrush. Easy to price, easy to install, easy to delegate. Nothing is fastened, nothing touches the roof at all. At some point, when maintenance is necessary, it's very easy to renew GutterBrush. You pull them out of the gutter, bang them out, the debris drops out, clean the gutter, and slide them right back into place with no tools or fasteners. And it's completely renewed and ready to perform. Next, what I'd like to do is introduce the next 2 videos. On the next video, it will be about how to fit and measure for GutterBrush and make sure you're buying the right size for the gutter, as well as how to price GutterBrush. And then the 3rd video will be how to answer customer questions. Once again, we're here to help you and provide you with support, answer questions, and in the end, if I've done my job, you're able to offer a low-priced way to keep your customers' gutters from clogging, and you can make some nice profits. Thanks very much.